Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to close Remitly account. So if you also want to close Remitly account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Remitly application. You can see over here Remitly application has been opened. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. All you have to do is tap on the manage option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the manage interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You can find the option for profile, settings, payment methods, redeem offer. All you have to do is tap on the profile option that you can see at the first. Now you'll be led to the profile information interface. Over here, you'll be able to see the information of your profile. Scroll down to the bottom. Now at last, you'll be able to find the option for close my profile. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Read this information very carefully. Once your profile is closed, you'll no longer be able to access your profile details or view your activity and transfer history. You can always reopen Remitly profile by calling customer service team. Now what you have to do is check on the box. I understand that I won't have access to my profile after it is closed. After that, close my profile option will be activated. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here your profile is closed. So that is how you close Remitly account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.